How you guys doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these ugly black icons on Autel MaxiCOM MK908. I watched several videos on YouTube and they all basically show the same process in which you go to scan folder and then vehicle folder, then you choose a brand and delete the unoriginal icon. After you restart the MaxiCOM application, the original icon would appear. However, for some reason that didn't work on this device. But I managed to find a solution, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it. As you can see right here, I changed the one for Alfa Romeo and Abarth right now here. And without any further ado, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. First thing you have to do is exit the MaxiCOM and Diagnostics application, and you gotta open the ES File Explorer. But in case you're not familiar with that, I'm gonna show you how to do it from the beginning. Go to this icon right here, and first thing you have to do is go to Tools, and you got an option right here for to show hidden files. Turn it on and you will see that some folders will appear. After you do that, go to this folder right here, scan, then all image, then basic. As you can see right here, this is where all the default black icons are located for this device. To change it, let's say for Aston Martin, what we have to do is, before I do anything, let me tell you the most important thing you have to pay attention to. These file names right here, you must remember them. Otherwise, if you type in the wrong file name, the icon itself will not appear on the diagnostic application. So if you fail with naming the PNG file right, you won't be able to do diagnostics for that brand in your diagnostic application. Okay, so let's do the one for Aston Martin. What we're gonna do is delete it right here. Then we're gonna go back to vehicle folder. We're gonna go Europe, Aston Martin. We're gonna choose this logo right here. We're gonna copy it, then we're gonna go back to this folder right here, basic, and we're gonna paste it right here. Now we have to rename it so it appears on the MaxiCOM application. Rename. We're gonna hit OK. As you can see, there's our icon right there. Now let's see if that worked. We're gonna open the MaxiCOM application. We're gonna go to diagnostics. Let's go to European, and Aston Martin is right here. That's basically all you have to do. As mentioned before, strictly pay attention to PNG file names. If you do that right, you won't have any issues. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe.